All right, guys, here's the part. It's a cylinder, it's got holes in both ends, and there's some kind of rubber doohickey in the middle. What do you think it is, Jen?
Well, obviously, this is a medical training device for the doctors when they're doing esophagus surgeries on people who are missing their flap. It's absolutely a perfect reputation of that.
I don't think so. Obviously, this is a popsicle mold. You put it down, you fill it up with your favorite fruit juice, and you throw it in the freezer. Boom, popsicle.
Brain freeze!
Tony, what do you think?
No, this looks a lot more like a kazoo to me, a modern style. Maybe not. What is it?
Actually, guys, this is called a Uniguard drain valve. It's got the silicone flap in here for in your sink so water can go through, but your gases cannot come back into your unit. You can't run a snake through this because you'll tear the silicone and defeat the purpose of the flap.
Well, that flushes all our ideas down the drain. Thanks for watching. Leave all your wrong answers down in the comments below. Have a great day. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.